First thing we have to do is access the brake fluid reservoir. On my car, it's on the driver's side. The reason why you have to access the brake fluid reservoir is to just open the lid, because as you squeeze the caliper, the brake fluid will rise. So we don't want any air pressure build up. Okay, I've taken the wheel off the car. I've got a jack in there, as well as a jack stand for backup. Okay, before removing the caliper and the pads, I've just unhooked this tab so that the hose will have a bit of room to move. Okay, I'll just remove the slider pin now. There's one here and one down here. You need a 13mm and a 17mm to undo the slider pin. Okay, now that I've got these two screws out, the caliper is a bit loose now. I just use a screwdriver to pry it out from down here. And here we go. Let's come out. Let's just rest it up here. It should be. I'll just pry out the pad. So the two bolts that hold the caliper holder together, or hold it in place, are 18mm. There's one there and one here. I've got the caliper holder out now, and the slider pin seems to be in, I guess, pretty good order, because it's totally sealed. There's no issues there, and it glides fairly easy, so I won't. Okay, next we'll remove this pin here. It's a T30. I'll see if I can use it with my little ratchet. Oh, yep. That's coming out. Okay, I'll see if I can remove these rotors with just a little few gentle tap. What I might do is put these on just in case it falls out. There we go. Okay, I've cleaned out all the rust that were here with a wire brush and put some anti-seize on it, and now all I'm going to do is put the rotors back. So I've compared the new rotors with the old rotors. They're exactly the same. So all I have to do is put this back in place. Of course, you always tighten it by hand first to make sure you don't cross thread. Okay, before I put the caliper holder back, I'm going to put some brake lube just to reduce any chance of squeaking or noise after it's been put in place. I'm using ATE ceramic pads. The set actually came with replacement of these things as well as replacement bolts. Okay, I've got brake lube on the caliper holder as well as this little metal plate on top and bottom. The next step is to compress this piston. Now, because mine is an AMG pack, it's got this little Mercedes plate here. I've got to figure out how to take it out. Yeah, it's just held together by a couple of, looks like a couple of pins. There you go. Okay, now because I've already put this into pad replacement mode, I'll be able to compress this with my little piston compression tool. What I'll have to do is go and check the brake fluid reservoir. Make sure it's not overflow. Okay, so I've got the brake pad wear sensor. Let's remove the old one. Okay. Showing the difference between the new and the one I'm replacing. So goes there, and that goes there. There we go, and it's got to plug in the brake pad wear sensor. Okay, I've used the new glider pin bolt that came with the brake pad set. I've reinstalled everything, including the brake wear sensor. The hose are back in place, everything is back in place, and it's just a matter of putting the wheel back and going up to the front of the car and setting the pad replacement is done. Thank you for watching.